chilling. Amen. Recording with these Ray-Ban Metas. Easy to record. It's better than what do you call those things? The GoPro. GoPro, you had to stick something on top of your head or on your body or whatever. With these, you're just wearing some glasses. Not bad.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to doing the smash burgers.
With an egg?
And the eggs. Like I did.
Oh, separately.
Yeah. But I might try
you know,
sometimes they be putting eggs inside the burger.
yeah, I never had. I ordered that burger, but I told them to put it on. I ordered it because it's the it'd be the special.
Right.
So I said, yeah, but put my egg on the side.
Yeah, it don't seem like it's supposed to go together.
I don't think it go together.
Yeah, that can happen. That's fine. I think the salmon might be ready.
While flipping our salmon. That was pre-seasoned last night. Got some Creole seasoning. I have some seafood seasoning, some garlic, some salt, onion powder, pepper. That's mainly what you see, pepper. That's how I like mine right here. I like it dark. The blacker the berry. Amen. Amen. We're gonna continue to cook though. Anyway.
I be hating to do overcook.
Yeah.
They looking good.
Yeah, let's continue to cook right there.